Can a packaging factory in Vietnam really meet EU and US quality standards? At HAPLAST, the answer is yes, and we prove it every single day. We measure tensile strength to ensure durability, perform leak tests for waterproof protection, check thickness with micrometer precision, and verify seal strength for perfect bonding. Quality isn't estimated, it's measured. We operate under BRCGS, ISO 9001, and TÜV Austria certifications, ensuring every product meets EU and US standards. At HAPLAST, we inspect the quality of every batch, from the raw materials to the finished products. Each order comes with a dedicated quality inspection video and sample products, which we send to customers for review before shipment. With 54,000 tons of annual output and exports to 90-plus countries, HAPLAST combines automation and precision to deliver stable quality every time. Can a Vietnam supplier ensure stable quality? At HAPLAST, quality isn't promised, it's proven.